Heidi ho, all you wonderful people out there. Mr. Wonderful here. Right, that was for you, Bear. Right, I haven't done one of these before. Look at that. This is a Thailand 5 baht coin. That's amazing, isn't it? Looks rather intelligent, doesn't he? Right, it's quite a small coin, so I'm going to use quite a small punch. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm doing absolutely fantastic. Beautiful day here today. +7, sun's out, blue skies. And right, let's bang a hole in it. Let's go over to the one and only, gorgeous as ever. There she is, looking rather good. This is Big Bertha, my 20-ton hydraulic press. Right, oh, and she's leaking again. She's dripping on me. I have this effect on hydraulic presses. Right. Hope everybody's doing well. Right, we just want to clean it out. This is Christy Burr, Mighty Burring Tool. You just want to clean up them inside edges, make sure there's no cracks forming or splits. Still off the fags. I've just come back from the shop. We've got a local pizza place here. And I came out the shop and all these guys that run it and own it and make the pizzas, they was all outside drinking beer, having a fag. It's his birthday. They said, come and have a beer. I said, no, one's not enough. They said, we've got more than one. I said, no. Cigarette? No, no. And it did, I must admit, it did smell rather nice. The old cigarettes. I got a bit of a whiff of it. But I'm still being a good boy at the moment. How long does it last? I do not know. Alright. There we go, that's nice and clean. Right. Let's show it a bit of love. Thanks for your comments, Sarah, Gary, Bear. Where's my lighter gone? There it is. Alan, hope you're doing right, mate. Steve, Funky Monkey. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers. Yes, it's a good day today. You know, sometimes you wake up and... Well, I woke up this morning and thought today was Sunday for some reason. Don't know why. But, yeah, I feel really good today. I don't know why. I'm feeling good, looking even better. Right. My girlfriend thinks I'm crazy. Right, there you go. This is a 17 degree folding die. Let's go over to Big Red. Let's see what he's got for us. Oh yeah, butter. Oh, I want to sneeze. Excuse me. Sorry about that. What's the other one? You always sneeze twice, don't you? It's there somewhere. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Right, let's give it a bit of the old hoochie coochie on the one and only. Here he is. Spike. Looking gorgeous as ever. Right. This will be quite a small ring. You put the kitchen roll over it to protect the inside of the coin. If you're new to the channel, this is a ring stretcher, and it stretches your ring. Sounds painful, doesn't it? But it's not that bad. It's getting work hardened again. Let's show a bit more love with Bernie. Right. Okie dokie. Right. Let's show a bit more love. Yeah, that's good. I think that'll do. How's it looking? Yeah, the bow's out of it. It's just a bit cone shaped now, which we'd like to straighten all up. Well, first of all, let's give it a bit of a clean out. The inside edge, you want to get rid of it. There's not much in there, but there's a little bit. Okay, that's good. Right, let's take it over to the bottom end of Spike. These are all reduction dies. This straightens up the walls. Not much there. There's a little bit. If you go to this one, you can also use these to straighten things up a bit. Just want to get it level-ish. There you go, them walls are perfectly straight now. Who's a clever boy then, eh? Not me. Right, let's break out Dave. Okay, bush is still looking rather gorgeous. I think I'll keep this the Edwin look. That way you can see the detail easily. If you like this highly polished, I can polish them. Bit more volume. Right, how's it looking? It came out quite nice, didn't it? I haven't done one of these before. I'd like some more Thai coins. So if anybody out there from Thailand would like to send me some coins, you send me a few coins, I'll make you a ring free. That's why I use a kitchen roll on the inside, you don't lose the detail. What size we got? We go to the UK, EU, US. So, EU size, you always measure from the readed side of the coin, because that's the thickest part of the coin. And this is a size 58, but I can adjust the size. Yankee Doodle size is a size just over 8 3/4. And the good old UK size is a size 1.5 R. So there you go, folks. 1 5 baht Thailand coin. Thanks for watching, and it fits this finger perfectly. Have a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye bye.